In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle or switch between different views on a Tableau dashboard efficiently and effectively. If you've ever wanted more control over what data you're displaying in a dynamic environment, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open up your Tableau desktop application. Once you've got Tableau up and running, navigate to your desired worksheet. It's vital here to have a clear idea of the sheets or views you want to toggle between, so make sure you have them prepared beforehand. Now start by selecting the sheets you want to include in your dashboard. This is essential because these will form the basis of the toggle functionality. Next, head to your first sheet and locate the drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option to create a parameter. Parameters are incredibly useful in Tableau as they allow you to input control and flexibility into your visualizations. Once you've clicked on Create Parameter, you'll need to name it. It's best to use something intuitive and descriptive here. After naming it, select String as the data type. By choosing a string, you increase the versatility of what you can enter, such as sheet names or other descriptive metrics. Now choose List under Allowable Values. This will let you specify a predefined set of values that can be selected within the parameter, which is crucial for creating switches between views. Add in your specific values and then make sure to click Apply and OK to save your parameter settings. Once that is set up, the next step is to create a calculated field. Open the calculated field and input the parameter as a query. The naming should be consistent and relevant to ensure you can manage this operation smoothly as you progress. After typing in the parameter, click Apply and OK once more. Then drag this calculated field into the Filters pane. It's this action that allows the calculated field to function as a toggle switch within your dashboard. For each sheet, you'll need to select the value within the filter, applying the changes each time. Repeat this process for the next sheet by accessing the parameter function again, ensuring you select Show Parameter for visibility. As you finalize these steps, go to your parameter drop-down menu and select Single Value List. This effectively sets up your parameter to act as a single choice switch between the different views. With your sheets finalized, navigate over to the dashboard. Drag a container into your workspace. This container will hold your selected sheets. Once your container is placed, simply drag your sheets into it. Be sure to toggle each sheet's title. Right-click to hide it for a cleaner interface. At this point, you'll want to focus on the drop-down menus on the side of the sheets, navigating once more to your defined parameters. Finally, ensure that within the parameter dropdown you select Single Value List so that users of the dashboard have the ability to toggle between your desired views seamlessly. This setup ensures a streamlined, user-friendly experience. And you've done it. Just like that, you've incorporated a dynamic toggle functionality into your Tableau dashboard. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Tableau projects.